Welcome to All Tech Queries, a solution for all your technical queries.
These days, wireless charging is the new trend. Everyone wants to use wireless technology to charge their devices. But, do you even know what is wireless charging, and how wireless charging works? A few years ago, it was available only on mobile phones, but now you can also find it on other devices like AirPods, smartwatch, health band, etc. However, we have found a method that will help you charge any smartphone using wireless technology. Most of you might be wondering whether it is possible. It sure is. And here we will show you how. But before that, you need to understand what is wireless charging and how it works. In this video, we will explain what is wireless charging, wireless charging history, how wireless charging works, and how to enable wireless charging on any phone. We will also answer the most asked questions like, how to use wireless charger? Is wireless charging faster? Does wireless charging work with case? Which brand has the fastest wireless charging? And more. What is wireless charging? Wireless charging is a technology that helps you charge the phone or any other device without the use of cables. About several years ago, Nikola Tesla, a great scientist, proposed the idea of wireless charging. He explained a theory that we can transfer electrical energy between two conductors. But it wasn't possible practically due to the lack of technology in those days. Palm was one of the first mobile manufacturers that introduced wireless charging technology in their mobile phones around 2005. How wireless charging works? There are two ways using which we can take wireless charging into use: conduction and induction. Conduction. In this method, the upper surface of the charging pad is electrically conducting. And, when you supply power, the surface is electrically charged. Mobile manufacturers make the back panel conductive. So, when you place the mobile on the charging pad, the electricity will be transferred and your phone will be charged. Note that, in the conductive method, we need to align the phone accurately on the charging pod. This technology was popular when wireless charging was introduced. However, it is not used these days. Induction. Here, you will find coils under the surface of the charging pod. When you supply energy, the coils will transfer the energy into the nearby coils. So, when you place the phone on the pod, the energy is transferred into the coils placed in the phone, and it charges the phone. Induction technology can be further classified into two: Qi and PMA. There is not much difference between these two technologies. The only difference is the placement of coils. However, they are not compatible with each other. Example: if the charging pod uses Qi technology, and your phone uses PMA technology, you cannot charge. Similarly, if the charging pod uses PMA technology, and you have a phone with Qi technology, then you can't charge it either. Some mobile brands support both because they have both Qi and PMA coils on their smartphones. The coil may be attached to the back panel, or over the mobile battery itself, depending on the mobile manufacturer. How to enable wireless charging in any smartphone. Here we have found a product that will help you charge your mobile wirelessly even if the feature is not available on your phone. It is called a wireless receiver. Here, you get a strip that contains the coil, which is attached to a plug. The plug can be Type-C or Lightning-C plug, which you have to plug into your phone's charging port. Now, simply attach the strip to the back of your phone. So, when you place the phone on the wireless charging pod, the pod will transfer the energy to the strip that contains the coil. Next, the coil will transfer the energy to your phone through the plug you inserted. How to use wireless charger. You should simply turn on the power supply on charging pod, then place your smartphone or other devices on the pod. It will start charging. However, you need to have a device that supports wireless charging. Is wireless charging faster? No. Wireless charging will always be slower than wired charging. In fact, wireless charging takes twice the time to charge the mobile. Which brand has the fastest wireless charging? Currently, the fastest wireless charging mobiles are manufactured by Samsung. As they use high-power charging pods, the smartphones are charged a bit faster. Does wireless charging work with case? Yes. It works most of the time. However, some thick mobile cases can slow down the charging rate or completely block the energy from transferring. So, we suggest using thin cases while using wireless charging. However, with the technology we have today, we are only able to transfer energy by placing the device close to the charging pod. In a few years, we may get wireless technology that charges our devices using Wi-Fi. Moreover, you might also see wireless charging for electronic vehicles. Also, check out related articles and videos links in the description.
If the video was helpful, like our video, and subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries, for more tech-related, informative videos, and how-to tutorials. Follow us on other platforms as well. Links in description. Thank you.